You know I love diving into delicate hot button topics that get people all riled up. So before you start throwing your tomatoes, don't shoot the messenger. In today's video, there is a report from National Mortgage News that breaks down the latest on real estate agent commissions, post-NAR settlement, and well, yeah, you're gonna wanna stick around for that one. Hopefully you already knew this, but it's mostly been a pretty good renter's market as of late. So if you're renting right now, congrats, but enjoy the savings while they last because the renter's market might not stick around for much longer. Here's why. For starters, yes, rents are down slightly with the median price at $1,695, but that could change pretty fast. Economists are seeing that multifamily construction permitting is slowing a bit, and that could give landlords the upper hand soon because builders are shifting focus to single-family homes, meaning fewer new apartments, tighter supply, and higher rent prices ahead. Our advice, well, it's not exactly our advice because it's from CNBC, but if you plan to continue renting, now's the time to negotiate. Different story if you're thinking about buying this year. Pulling a quote directly from this CNBC article, builders are expected to pivot their priorities and build more homes in the for sale market this year. Single-family housing starts are forecasted to increase by 13.8% in 2025, totaling 1.1 million new homes according to Realtor.com data. Translation: if you score a lower rent, don't just blow the extra cash, stack it for a little extra down payment instead. Bigger your down payment, the better your buying power when it's time to make a move. Okay, real estate commission talk time. Ready? Despite all the buzz, the average buyer's agent commission only dipped slightly to 2.36% in Q4 of 2024, barely moving from previous quarters. While some agents report more haggling over fees, nearly half say commissions haven't even changed at all. And a small rebellious 4% even claim the commissions have gone up. Luxury homes are seeing lower commissions while lower priced homes are holding steady or even creeping up, likely because those buyers need sellers to cover more costs. Meanwhile, sellers who thought they'd never have to pay for a buyer's agent again after the NAR settlement have found out that most buyers still expect them to foot the bill. Over the next 5 years, 3/4 of agents say that declining commissions will be a major concern, but in the short term, it's sort of a coin toss. Half thinks commissions will drop while the other half sees stability or even a slight increase. A separate study from Account Tech actually found that after the initial dip, commissions are bouncing back, proving once again that real estate markets, much like Pete Davidson's dating life, refuse to behave predictably. Oh my gosh, speaking of dating life, you ever feel like dating apps just aren't niche enough? Like, sure, we both like tacos, but like, do you have a 30-year fixed mortgage? Good news! There's now a dating app just for homeowners called Nest Friends because nothing sparks that romantic fire like joint property taxes. Imagine swiping right and instead of, what's your love language? It's, what's your interest rate? And apparently it even caters to people in living apart together relationships. I just found this out, which is just a fancy way of saying I love you, but not enough to share the Wi-Fi bill. I can't even imagine what breaking up would sound like. It's not you, babe. It's your HOA fees. Let me know your thoughts, opinions, reactions, anything that I covered in the comments. I love being able to have conversations with you guys because right now I'm just talking to the camera. If any of this information resonates with you and you're looking for more, check out my newsletter. It's called This Week Today. You can join over 40,000 people staying up to date on the latest housing and financial trends and what they mean for you. You can sign up through the link in my bio or head to s1l.com and click the banner at the top of the page. Now everybody, let's go download Nest Friends or whatever it's called.